Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Wulan Sapitri Octaviani from Physical Education Class 8. Okay, today we are to learn plank exercise. And now let's pray together. Pray begins. Finish. Before we start, let's check attendance and warm up together.
Right.
Okay. What?
Yes, miss.
Agisna? Yes, Bill. Sandy?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now warming up from head to toe. And in 8 counts. Follow me, guys.
Right. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we doing jumping jack. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, watch me carefully as I demonstrate the correct plank position. Okay. Start by lying face down on the mat, like this. Place your forearm on the mat with elbow directly under your shoulders. 3. Place your body up under your shoulders and forearm. Touch the floor. 4. Keep your body straight from head to heel, like this. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Okay? Okay. Now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job, guys. Stop. Okay, enough, guys. Wake up and sit down. Thank you. Now I want to ask you, how do you feel right now? What?
Nope.
Okay.
I'm so tired.
So happy, miss. I'm very happy. Wow, excellent. So guys, thank you for effort your effort today. Let's end with a short prayer. Prayer begin. Finish? Okay, See you next time, guys.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.